A very good morning to all our respected directors, our teachers and all my dear friends. Today we 8th standard got this opportunity to conduct today's assembly. Every thought have been an important part of being human since the time of ages. So now may I call Sahil to say thought of the day.
Good morning all of you. Thought of the day. The teachers can open golden door for you, but you have to enter in it by yourself. Thank you.
Thank you Sahil. New word increases our vocabulary. So now may I call Tushar to say word.
Good morning everyone. Today's word of the days are first, drastic. The spelling of drastic is D-R-A-S-T-I-C. The meaning of drastic is extreme. Second, hostile. The spelling of hostile is H-O-S-T-I-L-E. The meaning of hostile is unfriendly. Thank you.
Thank you Tushar. Being alert is the first step toward responsible citizenship. So now may I call Shubham to give information about current affairs.
Good morning all of you. Today's news of the day. First, national. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar, the question paper leaks ahead of the examination as a fatal disease and said those who practice this to make money ruins the hard work of candidates. Second, India won against Sri Lanka by 3-0 run and became the first team to qualify for semi-final international. Third, Israel killed 7 Palestinians in raid in the West Bank. Thank you.
Thank you Shubham. Now at last but not least, now may I call Gaurish to ask GK question.
Today's GK question are first, how many centuries did Virat Kohli score total in cricket? Wrong. 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 The correct answer is 77 centuries. Second, who is the Indian chess grandmaster who secured second position in FIDE World Cup 2022? The correct answer is Pragyananda. For pre-primary, which is the most loyal animal? Which is the most friendly animal?
सबसे ज्यादा फ्रेंडली एनिमल कौन सा है? आपको एनिमल सबसे ज्यादा कौन सा पसंद है? आपके घर पे कौन सा एनिमल है? डॉग किसके घर पे है? राइट आंसर बताओ.
The correct answer is dog. Thank you.
Thank you Gaurish. Thank you all of you for paying attention. Have a good day ahead.